Hello, in this tutorial we'll show you how to navigate to a specific site more easily rather than watching the entire video. So when you're viewing the virtual tour, one way to get to sites is to hit play and start going to the sites. But if you have a specific site you want to jump to, there are two ways to jump to it very rapidly. The first is the search bar. When you click the search icon at the bottom right, a list of the campsites will pop up. Say you wanted to go to site number 150, you simply type in 150. Your options for the different site types with 150 in it will pop up. Select one of those site types and you will jump directly to that site with the marker on it. So now you're looking at that site number 150. The second way to jump to sites is to use the overhead map. The overhead map will give you a layout, so if you wanted to jump to if you knew exactly where your site was, you could obviously click on it and jump to it through here. But if you knew it's over in this area, you would simply click one of the icons and you'll jump to that area within the virtual tour and you'll be looking at one of those sites. So those are two ways to quickly jump to a campsite within the Campground Virtual Tours. Enjoy!